are good and safe at home. We are doing trigonometry, and in previous lecture we learned about the fourth quadrant and the placement of all six trigonometric ratios in the quadrants. Where which trigonometric ratio is positive in which quadrant we learned in previous video. So now let's do some questions based on these quadrants. So if we are having here in this question cos A is equals to 21 by 29 and here A. What is A? A is your angle. In previous video instead of A we took theta. Theta is an angle. So whatsoever is coming along with sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant and cot. So that is angle. So here A is coming. So here A is an angle. So cos A is equals to 21 by 29. This trigonometric ratios value is given, which is positive, and here A lies in fourth quadrant. So angle is in fourth quadrant. This is x-axis, y-axis, negative x-axis and negative y-axis. First, second, third quadrant, and of course this is fourth quadrant. So we are in fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant, our fundamental triangle will be like this. So cos A is 21 by 29. With that rhyme we learned with the rhyme that the rhyme was Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. So we know that cos value is b by h. So it is base. Base is 21. Base is 21 and hypotenuse is 29. Hypotenuse is 29. Of course, this is on positive x-axis, so base will be positive, and hypotenuse is also positive. But we are getting the value as perpendicular. It will be on negative side of y-axis. So first of all, what is base? Base is 21x and hypotenuse is 29x. We'll substitute the values in Pythagoras theorem. So 29x whole square plus base, that is 21x whole square plus perpendicular square. So 29 square. Two 61, 9 2 is 18, 2 2 is 4, 5. It is 841. 841 x square and 21 square is 441 x square is equals to perpendicular square. We are getting 400 x square p square, and of course perpendicular is 20x. So we are getting a perpendicular as 20x. So if this is your base is your 21x, hypotenuse is 29x, and perpendicular this is your 20x. Perpendicular is your 20x, but this is on negative side because whenever the squaring goes to that side it becomes plus minus under root. So here I am taking negative sign. Negative 20x. Why? Because this is on the negative side of y-axis. So minus 20. So 21x, 29x and perpendicular is minus 20x. We need to find the values of sin A and tan A. We need to find the values of sin A and tan A. Sin A is formalized perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is minus 20x and hypotenuse is 29x. X will cancel out with x and we are getting the value minus 20 by 29. And last one is tan A. Tan A is formula is perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is minus 20x and base is positive 21x. So x will cancel out with x and we are getting negative value of tan. So again with that rhyme, add sugar to coffee. Here cos and secant are positive. Cos theta and secant theta are positive. Of course we are getting the negative values of sin and tan. So we did this question with fundamental triangle. So we can do this question even without that fundamental triangle.